Stop scrolling. 90% of people get this wrong because they think they know the order of operations or they think they know the rules. Some say the answer is 1. Others swear the answer is 36. But in the next 5 minutes, I am going to show you why your calculator might be lying to you and how you should never fail a viral math challenge again. Is it 1 or is it 36? Let us break the trap. Let's go. To solve this, we need the ultimate weapon, that is both mass or PEMDAS. Most people remember the letters, but they forget the order of operations within the order. We have B, the bracket. We have O, the order. D and M, division and multiplication. A and S, addition and subtraction. Wait, look at this. Here is where the trap is. D and M. Division doesn't always come before multiplication. We move from left to right. Just like reading a book. If you miss that, you have already lost. Now, here is the moment of truth. Many people see the bracket and think they must multiply first. Step 1. Brackets. That is 3 plus 3 equal to 6. Okay? Now, here is many people. Now, here is the moment of truth. Many people see the brackets, or many people see. Now, here is the moment of truth. Many people see that the bracket and think they must multiply 2 times 6. Like this. Now, here is the moment of truth. Many people see that bracket and think they must multiply 2 times 6 first. They get 12. Then they do 12 divided by 12 and get 1. Why? Because the bracket is gone. 2 open bracket 6 is just another way of saying 2 multiplied by 6. Now, our equation is like this. Since division and multiplication have equal parity, we go left to right. What is 12 divided by 2? It is 6. And 6 times 6, that is 36. Okay. And 36 is our final answer.